Hey turtle nerds, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, this was recorded a couple weeks ago in Arizona when I went for the Turtle and Tortoise Preservation Group conference. We went to like this zoo. I took some footage there, so this is just gonna be a quick little vlog of my time there. I don't have like a normal video today just because I still have family over and I'm wanting to spend time with them and whatnot. So anyway, just enjoy this quick little vlog. I am gonna update everyone on my Patreon though about everything that's going on. I'm actually gonna have some terrapins I think available soon because a buddy of mine was like, hey, I just hatched some. Anyway, I'm listing a bunch of stuff on Patreon. Hit the link right up over here if you want to see what the heck I've got going on for this week before the video on Friday. So yeah, now with that all out of the way, let's go. It's zoo time. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. I'll see you on the next one. And bye.